us money, Daddy.
What up? It's your boy LD back with another video. And today I got a Neewer camera case backpack. It says it's waterproof and shockproof. It's 12.2 by 5.5 by 14.6. So that's the measurements. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, like I always do, so you know you can hit that up. Crack this thing open. See how it looks. I got this bag to put my camera equipment in. Starting to buy a lot of camera equipment, so I want something I can put it in, take it with me, do my videos here and there. So far, feels real smooth. Got a side pocket here. Got a strap. So I'm guessing that's so you can put your tripod in here. You got the strap to hold it up. Here's the back. Got some nice soft points. So hanging on your shoulders. On this side I got the same thing. Got a little pocket and a strap. So that's pretty dope. Alright, so let's get inside the bag, see what it looks like. So open straight up. We got different compartments here that's adjustable that we can move around. They have dividers, so you can put your lenses in there, your camera, everything else, and fit it how you want, depending on what kind of camera you have. And also here you have pockets to put your cables and everything else. Soft. I got the red. They had different colors. They had an orange and I also think a green, but I got the red for myself. And the padding feels real nice. And the padding on the front lip is real nice too, so good protection in case, you know what I mean, something punctures into it and bumps into it so it won't break. Anything will break inside. So you have all this protection. It came with little poppies, little poppies I pop you later. So that's really about it. Nice quick short video if you're looking at this bag and you wanted some information on it. But this is what I got. I'm definitely gonna customize the pockets, put different things in there, and put my DJI in there and a couple other cameras I have. So when I take it with me, and the small tripods and everything else. So when I'm out in the field, I got a lot more videos coming soon. Been doing videos on different subjects, but I have more videos coming soon, testing out different products. Just trying to get the time to do everything. You know, your boy does work. I don't sit home all day, so, you know what I mean? I got mad stuff to do and mad responsibilities, but I'm trying to kick them out, and I'm trying to, you know, keep y'all up to date. But, you know, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Hit that like button, that thumbs up. And basically, I'll holler at y'all later, man. All right? Easy.